Howdy, welcome back to Attacks and Shaves. Today we're doing a review on a new release, and this is one I've had for a little while. Keeping it a secret. It's coming out this weekend though, so look forward to it. You've probably seen or heard a little bit about it. I know some of you have been receiving samples, but it's, as you can tell by the thumbnail, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Doppelgänger Continuum Collection No. 2. And this one is a banger, guys. So this one is an homage to Green Valley by Creed. The House of Creed is known for crafting iconic fragrances like Aventus and Green Irish Tweed, but among these giants ties a forgotten gem, Green Valley. Released in 1999, this fragrance captured the hearts of enthusiasts with its vibrant freshness, subtle spice, and refined depth. Though discontinued, its legacy endures, making it a prime candidate for rediscovery. So this is from the sales blurb. The story behind the scent, crafted by Oliver Creed, Green Valley was inspired by his love of nature and passion for golf, a sport he played at the highest level as a former member of the French national golf team in 1984. The fragrance reflects his connection, blending elements of crisp greens, citrus, and warm musky depth into a composition that is both refreshing and sophisticated. So the fragrance notes are top notes of bergamot and mandarin, middle notes of black currant and ginger, and base notes of ambergris and musk. The perfect moment for its return. Continuum No. 2. You can tell I've been using this, but man, it is, oh, this one is so good. Those of you that have received the samples, if you have and you're watching this, let me know what you think down below. I am so looking forward to completing this set for sure. All right, let's get it going. For the hardware today, I am using the PAA Monster Slant, and I haven't used this one. I have all of them now, and don't think I've used the crimson one yet. I do have the splash. You can tell I've already put my sprayer on top. And I'm using the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Switchback 400 that I've set with a Pure Bliss knot. And let's get that soaking for a little bit and get the face wet. And we're going to get this lather going. Well, keep my glasses on while I'm doing the lather. Why do I keep doing that? So getting that brush wet a little bit. All right. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, and we'll just do one for luck. And I did a third one, fourth one. That was 5. Anyway, 5 swirls. So, glasses off. Let's get the face wet. I have, I haven't shaved since my straight razor shave. So what day was that? Was that Sunday? No, it was Monday. I released it Monday, did it Sunday, so I haven't shaved since Sunday. Had a really good shave, and I knew I was going to make this video, so I left it. Ooh, a lot of water in that knot. Oh man, you definitely get that bergamot and mandarin at the top, but that black currant and ginger just really comes through. It does have that musky undertone. Man, just everything's there. You don't have to hunt for those notes. They're all there. So as you can see, I just did 5 swirls with CK6. Normally I'd only do 3. I don't know why, just habit I guess. My hand just automatically went into another couple swirls. But I still need to add water to this. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful scent. All right, let's get this going. So as you remember, the Continuum collection, bringing back forgotten or old, maybe never even heard of by some of you scents and fragrances, and giving them new life is Francis Towell's undertaking, and I am very thankful for this, because some of these, so far, both of these fragrances I'd never heard of until this. I'm using you're gonna laugh at me because I'm a one and done, right? A 7th use Persona Comfort Coat. And I think it might be done. But I did get a great head shave with it this morning on 6th use. Well, this is the 7th use, right? Yeah, this is the 7th. So it's had 6 uses so far. But maybe not. Jeez. We'll see. See how far I can take this blade. I'm not one to do that. Reuse blades. They're so cheap and I have so many of them. All right, so as the seasons shift and the air begins to brighten, there is no better time to revisit this lost classic. The crisp citrus, lively spice, and deep musky warmth of Green Valley feel right at home as winter fades and spring emerges, making it an ideal companion for the fresh energy of the season. Really, really, really love PAA sales blurbs. Let's get some water on the face. And we're going to go for pass number 2. As you can see, with that few swirls, I still have plenty of lather in this brush. So, Green Valley, discontinued yet highly coveted. Green Valley was discontinued around 2020, leaving behind a devoted following eager for its return. Today, bottles command between $1,500 and $2,500 on resale markets, a testament to its enduring appeal. And this is true, and I'm going to show you some photos. I actually hunted for this, thinking maybe I can get some OG. Yeah, not at those prices. I mean, look at these prices you'll find on eBay. It is crazy how much Green Valley goes for. Talk about sticker shock, man. I fell over. When I saw those prices. The last Continuum, number 1, curated, I was able to find at least a sample of that one from Chanel to compare it to. Let me tell you, that was a good one, but I'm not going to be able to find anything on this, at least not that I could afford. So with Doppelganger Continuum number 2, we paid tribute to this rare and sought-after scent, ensuring its refined green elegance can be enjoyed once more. And this one blew me out of the water. I remember my daughter and I both enjoyed it when I got this in and we smelled it, and I received a sample of the aftershave in one of my orders as well. And I can't remember if I got that first or I got this set first for review. But we were both sitting there for a good 20-30 minutes just talking about it. This scent actually started a conversation. It's so good. And it's not that my daughter and I don't talk. It's just that some scents that we enjoy and we both enjoy, and some that have such depth, it sparks a conversation between us about the scent even. And we even talk about what it reminds us of and kind of the things it takes us to. And for me, it just literally reminds me of its name. Like I'm in a green space on the planet Earth, and these are the scents I get when I'm out in this green space, and it's really, really enjoyable. Oh, I guess I should get my neck there, right? So this is one that I will definitely say do not miss out on. If you've had the sample, try it. Also, please watch for a more informed decision. Please watch all the other PAA reviewers. Cal Shaves, Mike at Long Island, Angelo at the Shave Arcade, Kin Surfs, I'll try to remember to put a list of them all in the description. So don't just take my word for it. Listen to the other reviewers and hear what they have to say. If there's a reviewer that you know they kind of are honed in on the scent you like, that's the one you should go watch and get their opinion of this one. Those of you that hone in on the scents that I like, well then, here's your opinion. My opinion is I'm completing the set on this one for sure. All right, let me get a rinse. Come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. All right. Such a refreshing scent. It's not refreshing like maybe a very bright citrus, some sort of blast of grapefruit or something, but refreshing as in it brightens my mood when I use this. And I don't know if you could bottle a season. This is full of springtime. This is full of green growth, warmth, change. It's that kind of brightness is what I'm talking about. It's just really good. It evokes a feeling in me, and it's just renewal, I guess, maybe is probably what I'm getting at. Yeah, probably that's probably it. So let's get this splash on. A little in the hand so I can get a good smell. Definitely got that black currant and ginger. The bergamot's brightening the top side. Little sweetness from the mandarin, but that musk and that currant together. And for me, that's where the magic's at on this one. It's a pairing I never would have thought about. Really, really lovely. Oh man, that's so good. Listen, Doppelganger Continuum number 2, Continuum Collection number 2. I think they're just calling it Continuum Collection. There you go. As you can tell, the labels are very similar. I think there's a slight color change in this, but it does, of course, say number 2 right in the center there. I'm looking. I love this kind of scent of the month club thing. And I love this revisiting scents I either haven't heard of or probably would have never had a chance to experience. That part right there is really that's drawing me into this collection. Scents that I would probably never have a chance to experience, I now have a chance to experience it. And that's the real amazing thing about this whole collection, and such a wonderful idea. And I thank you, Fran, and I thank you, Douglas, for having that idea and bringing this to us. This is a wild and wonderful idea, and I'm in it. I'm game. So this weekend, get your hands on it. Don't miss out. Don't sleep on it. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.